sake of this kind of parfait cup, okay, I'm going to be using this part of my circle cut. I think this will fit in. So I'm just going to cut thin slices out. Okay. You can see this is just thin slices on this side. So let's begin. Remember here I have my filling and I have my whipped cream and I have here my cake. So I'm going to just, break some of it into pieces. This is that sorted out. My whipped cream. I'm going to open it just and just squeeze out to get the trap here. And open my two as well. Okay. Then I'm going to leave this. So we need to put in one layer of cake. Like so. And I just apply my whipped cream. Can you see that? And I'll put it at the center as well. Then my filling. You can be as generous as you want depending on what you are charging. Okay. Whatever you are charging is going to be determinant. Also goes another layer. You can see. If you feel the need to add more cake, please do. And if you wish, you can put your toppings, like your cookies or whatever, inside your cake, just to add extra crunch. But most times it softens up. That's why I don't bother. Okay, remember to always cover the edges of your cup. And you can also add the filling directly to the whipped cream. Just style however way you feel will work for you. It's not a one size fits all. Press to have a level distance. That works. So you can put your cookies if you want, but for this one I won't be doing it. You can see how beautiful and well layered it looks. Okay. So another one you can use this is a cake slice bowl, by the way. So you can use it. This is your business. You determine what style you want to do. Nobody's going to tell you what I want to do for your business. So I finished this off camera. You can see the three shapes of containers that I used this salad bowl and the parfait cup and then the cake slice. But you can see how beautiful they all looked. Okay, the goal is, if you want to, after piping your filling on top, if you don't want it to stain your cover, you can just keep it in your freezer for it to freeze up, for the chocolate for it to freeze up, then you cover so it does not stain. It's okay. Now you can see the layers. You can see the chocolate cake, the whipped cream, and then another layer of my chocolate fudge. That is what you want to achieve. You want to have everything properly layered, so you can also see that I sprinkled some crushed Oreos on it, okay, just to have that effect, and to the parfait. So you can see how beautiful it is. We've gotten to the end of the parfait class.